Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can upload the video on YouTube Studio. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the YouTube and we have to open our account. So as you can see, I have created a new channel. That's why it's showing like that. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this profile icon on our channel. And after clicking on this, simply we have to go to the YouTube Studio option. So I'm going to click on the YouTube Studio. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this channel, now simply what we have to do, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, after clicking on this, as you can see, we have to click on the continue here, and now we are here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to this option here, upload videos. Let's click on this. And now we have to click on the select files option, and now we have to choose the video, that which video you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this one or this one. You have to choose any video which you feel suitable for you or you have chosen. Now we have to click on the open option, and after clicking on that, as you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds. Now we are here. Now simply we have to write the video name here. For example, I'm going to write the praying here. You can write whatever you want. I'm going to write the praying here. You have to write the titles under 100 characters, and then you have to write the description here. Then you have to upload your thumbnail here, and then if you want to choose a playlist, you can also do that. And then you have to make it known it is not made for the kids. If your video is for the kids, you have to choose it yes. And now then you have to add the text here. So after that, after doing these all options, we have to click on the next here, then next again, and now you have to choose the publish here. I'm going to choose the public, and now simply we have to click on the publish, and the video will be published. So in this way you can upload a video on the YouTube. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.